are indicated.
Oh boy.
Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, East Moline, Kiwami, Aledo, Cambridge, Silvis, Geneseo,
No.
Coloma, Milan, Comanche, LeClaire, Coal Valley, Galva, Burgess, Hampton, Orion, and Port Byron. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa near mile marker 5. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 35. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 33. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 280 between mile markers 10 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.